Open up your dialogue script for Lesson 6 and follow along. In Part 1, we ask, what is your mother's name? O nahoda yundajats ne satnistaha. And we ask, do you love her? Senaronkwaga. Does your mother love you? And the answer to that, ha, we neji yungeneronkwa. Yes, obviously she loves me. She's my mom. And we repeat this conversation using the word for dad, so the prefix is changed to male ones. In Part 2, we're using the amounts a lot, too much, and not that much. Agwahigan, soji, and yah e soji. Onka agwahigan ji senaronkwa. Dogat nuwa soji ezo et senaronkwa. Yah e soji dehi nuwes. Notice that we say, Agwahiganji kenarunkwa, I love her a lot. And back in Part 1, we said, Ezo kenarunkwa. Both mean, I love her a lot. Agwahigan and Ezo both mean a lot, but Agwahigan is more than Ezo. Notice also when we say soji in dogat nuwa soji ezo etseneronkwa, maybe you love him too much, we often have to use that word ezo in combination with soji. In Part 3, we're looking at the words the same and different. Ne saga and degetsteha. Ne gan saga ne gigan da gos dachnu ne gigan. Are this cat and this cat the same? See how our question word, ga, is still the second word. We break up ne saga to put it in there and make that a question. And the answer, yah. Yah ne saga dega. No, they're not the same. Ne saga isn't a verb, so we use dega to negate it. Yah ne saga dega. They're different. Degets deha ne e. Otenaga ne saga ne gigan da gos dachnu ne giga. Let's break that down. Anything, yes or no question, the same, this cat, and this one. Is there anything the same with this cat and this one? In more common English, we'd probably say something like, is there anything about these cats that is the same? The answer? No, nothing. They're very different. The last part is a bit of review going over the words more and liking, saha and senuus, and then we use the concept of more with our new verb to love. Ya onka saha de keneronkwa jeniotne agetnistaha. I don't love anyone more than my mom. And that's it. So pat yourself on the back for getting to the end of our course.